So in general, conservative management of any benign cyst and tumors, if it is a smaller lesion, then it has to be only enucleation. If it is a bigger lesion, then it is treated with enucleation. Enucleation by itself has a very high recurrence rate. In order to reduce this risk, adjunctive procedures such as peripheral ostectomy, Carnoy solution application, and cryotherapy have been reported. Carnoy solution can penetrate and fix to the depth of up to 1.54 millimeter into the bone after 5 minutes of exposure. On the other hand, the surgical space that is created by removal of these lesions requires packing with aseptic dressing material to achieve uneventful wound healing, because primary closure may lead to infection because of dead space. Ideal dressing material used in the mouth should be able to reduce postoperative pain and also should promote healing and prevent infection. So, enucleation followed by peripheral ostectomy by removing all the bones that is there around the enucleated cavity, along with chemical cauterization with modified Carnoy solution, because one component of Carnoy solution, which is chloroform, is banned by FDA. Thereby, we are nowadays using modified Carnoy solution with open packing of bismuth iodoform paraffin paste.